Right, we are here to do the 7-box Gavpalooza today. Gavin chose all these, so they're full of rubbish, we can blame him. We've got the Gala, the Absolutes, Triple Threads, the Cheap Spectra, Momentum, Select, and an old TC. I haven't got the printout of your names because my printer is packed in, so I don't know who's got what team offhand, but there's been a few trades of that, so I'll sort all those out afterwards. And we are ready to go. So I will start off with, we'll do a couple of the older ones. Let's start off with the 2011, totally certified. So good luck to all. Oh, and thanks to Gav for the hoodie. So thanks for that, Gav. First trip out for it today, very warm. Okay, so here we go. And best of luck to all of you. I hope we hit some nice stuff. So 2011 totally certified. Checklist if I need it. 6 packs. 1 hit per pack. That is the box. Okay, here we go. So first one, we have LaShawn McCoy base, Mike Wallace base, and first hit is a good one to start off with. For the Broncos, Von Miller, rookie auto jersey, on-card auto for the Broncos. So decent rookie from that year to get, and that's numbered to 499. So good start for the Bronx. Next one, Calvin Johnson base and a Josh Cribbs base. Jay Cutler. There's a Pepsi Rookie of the Week winner, which is Stefan Wisniewski for the Raiders. The next hit is a Heritage Collection jersey, another decent player, Curtis Martin for the Jets. And that one numbered to 249. So one for the Jets, and more base, Matt Ryan and Reggie Wayne. Arian Foster base, D'Angelo Williams base, and the next hit is a certified future jersey, Clyde Gates for the Dolphins. And that one numbered to 499 at the bottom. And more base, Sam Bradford and Hakeem Nicks. Philip Rivers base, Fred Jackson base, all the base, Matthew Stafford and Reggie Bush. And the next hit is numbered to 299. It is a rookie sticker auto for the Seahawks. It is Chris Durham. A rookie one, or is that not a rookie one? Chris Durham, anyway, for the Seahawks. Okay. Penultimate pack. Jermaine Gresham, Percy Harvin, and Tim Tebow, and Leon Washington. And the hit is another legend one, Heritage Collection, number to 249, Ed Too Tall Jones for the Cowboys. So nice one for the Cowboys. To 249. Okay, so last pack, 2011 totally certified. A Matt Hasselbeck, Alex Smith, the base, James Starks, Santonio Holmes, and certified future rookie jersey, another decent one, off to a good start, the Broncos, of Von Miller rookie jersey, and that one is to 499. So there you go, that is the totally certified. We'll go into the 2013 Momentum. 10 hits in here. Good value. And they all are. So 10 packs, empty box, and off we go with these. Okay, CJ Spiller base, Jimmy Graham, Matt Ryan, LaShawn McCoy, Tyler Wilson rookie for the Raiders, and decent one to start off with, number to 49. Rookie auto, Eddie Lacy for the Packers. So nice Eddie Lacy to start off with for the Packers, and that one is numbered up in the corner to 49. There you go, good first pack. One of the better players you can get from 2013. Okay, Peyton Manning base, AJ Green, Cecil Shorts, Greg Jennings, and another Raiders rookie, Nick Casa. And the hit card is number to 49 again. It's actually 49 of 49. Rookie auto jersey, nice bit of patch on there. Aaron Dobson for the Patriots. So nice bit of patch on there. 49 of 49. Okay, next one. Ben Roethlisberger, Justin Blackmon, Michael Crabtree, Jeremy Macklin, rookie Jonathan Cyprien. And the hit this time is numbered 49 again, 36 of 49. Triple feature materials for the Bears. Jay Cutler, Brandon Marshall, Matt Forte. Triple jersey card for the Bears, and on the back there, the 49. Decent one for the Bears. Dwayne Bowe, Carson Palmer, Josh Freeman. We've got a nice, I do like these, nice acetate parallel, Tavon Austin for the Rams. Quite nice acetate. And the rookie is Ryan Swoop. And there is a rookie auto, and it is Marcus Davis of the Jets. And that one is numbered to 599. The Jets. Keith Miller, Reggie Wayne, Wes Welker, Jamal Charles, all base. We have a rookie Eric Fisher for the Chiefs. And then we have number 2599, another rookie auto. It is Philip Thomas for the Redskins. So first hit for the Redskins to 599. Dustin Keller, Marshawn Lynch, Colin Kaepernick, Asante Samuel, rookie D. Milliner for the Jets, and number to 199, another rookie auto, another Patriot, Josh Boyce for the Patriots. GB. That's that one. Derek Johnson, Tom Brady, Jordy Nelson, Steve Johnson, and rookie Dennis Johnson. And Redskins on a roll. Momentum material, Ryan Kerrigan. For the Redskins, number 2199. Redskins with back-to-back hits. Darren McFadden, Cam Newton, Richard Sherman. There is a number to 99 gold parallel, Mark Sanchez for the Jets. 99. The rookie is Eddie Lacy for the Packers, and the hit is a rookie Team Threads jersey to 399 Stedman Bailey for the Rams. To 399. 2 packs of momentum to go. And Tony Romo base, Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, Alfred Morris, and rookie Margus Hunt. And the hit is number to 399 rookie initiation jersey, and it is Vance McDonald for the 49ers. And that one numbered to 399 up in the corner. Rob Gronkowski, Marcus Colston, Christian Ponder, Larry Fitzgerald. Rookie is Rodney Smith of the Vikings. And rookie Team Threads, number to 299 for the Titans, Justin Hunter. Rookie core jersey for the Titans to 299. And that wraps up the 10 packs of momentum. Next, I think we'll go with the Gala. Do the Gala. This has been a bit hit and miss for some people, but some of the hits do look quite nice. Okay, so Gala pack, that is it. Okay, first card on the top, number to 25, nice patch, main attractions, Brandon Marshall, 2-color patch for the Jets. Number to 25 down in the corner. So nice one for the Jets. Next hit is number 299. We're going to the Vikings, Laquan Treadwell. Silver screen signatures. And number to 99, which is in silver on silver. You might just pick it up at the bottom. Down there. So Laquan Treadwell for the Vikes. Next one up is number to 25, silver screen signature. This is a vet signature this time, Torrey Smith for the 49ers on card also. To 25 up above his helmet. And it's a 49ers double, DeForest Buckner, silver screen signatures. Rookie one. Now that is number to 99 as well. So back to back for the Niners. And the base card, number to 49, is for the Bills, Jim Kelly. For the Bills. And that is the Gala, how do you pronounce it? Okay, I think I'll go Absolute next. So 2016 Absolute. 3 mini boxes. Get rid of that. Okay. Cellophane 1. 2 and 3. Okay, so there's our pack, first pack. Okay, so on the top we have a base of Eli Manning, the Giants. Another base for the Bucks, Mike Evans. We have a red zone insert unnumbered for the Steelers, Antonio Brown. There is a pack filler card. And then we have, we've got a numbered parallel. We'll do that one first. You'll like this one, number to 100 for the Chiefs, Marcus Allen. Parallel. And hit in this pack, number to 199. They're having a really good break. Paxton Lynch for the Broncos. Rookie material autograph. And numbered on the side, or at the top now, to 199. Paxton Lynch for the Broncos. There you go. And there is a discount code card, so if anybody wants those, let me know. I think I've probably got a bunch here anyway. Okay, so next one. Base, Matt Stafford. Von Miller. And another parallel, this is to 499 for the Cowboys, Emmett Smith. The Cowboys. There's a Kid Reporter card, all of that. And we've got 2 hits. First one, Rook Inc., number to 399 for the Bengals. Cody Core. Cody Core for the Bengals. Rookie auto. The next one is a Tools of the Trade. Jersey and ball, number to 99, vet card, Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. Numbered down there to 99. Okay, the third absolute. And it has JJ Watt base. Carlos Hyde. There is a rookie card, number to 499 of Jakeem Grant for the Dolphins. Jakeem Grant. And there is a Panini app card. And there is another Rook Inc. Rookie Inc. card, number to 399. This one's for the Raiders, Carl Joseph. Rook Inc. autograph card for the Raiders, number to 399. And then we have a Groundhogs, number to 199 for the Lions, Amir Abdullah. Number to 199. Which is on the side. Okay, so that is the absolute. And next up, let's do Select. 2014 Select. Popular product. So we've got 2 mini boxes inside. That one's done. There are 2 mini boxes. Okay. the first one. Out, empty box. And we get the second one open. And pack this out, empty box. Okay, here we go. So, first up, base, Des Bryant. Rookie of Jace Amaro. There is a Prism Parallel unnumbered, Andy Dalton. And base of Ryan Matthews and Matt Ryan. Arian Foster base. Maurice Jones-Drew base. There is a rookie, it's a unnumbered Prism Parallel of Trey Watts for the Rams. And base of Brandon Marshall and Giovanni Bernard. Base again, Eric Decker and Ben Roethlisberger. There is a red parallel, number to 99 for the Saints, Jimmy Graham. Jimmy Graham for the Saints to 99. And base of Toby Gerhart and Eddie Lacy. Mike Wallace base. A rookie for the Redskins, Ted Olser. And do the base, Cordarrelle Patterson and Andre Ellington. And then we have a select rookie auto number to 149, LaMarcus Joyner for the Rams. Number to 149. Keenan Allen base. There is a select MVP card, Colin Kaepernick for the 49ers. We've got a 150 points card, replacing a hit, so that'll get randomed amongst the hit list. And we've got base of Julius Thomas and CJ Spiller. Base again, Russell Wilson. Then we have a rookie, Senorize Perry. Senorize. There's fans left to tell me. Perry. Oh, all the names are coming out. Okay, we've got a parallel to 75, orange prism parallel. This one for the Colts, Zerlin Tipton. Zerlin Tipton. And then we have two base, Tom Brady and Doug Martin. Philip Rivers and Demarius Thomas base. There's a prism of Peyton Manning, unnumbered, and base of Colin Kaepernick and Ben Tate. The Marco Murray base. LaShawn McCoy. There is a number to 199. Pink prism Cam Newton for the Panthers. There's a Matthew Stafford base and a Julio Jones base. Brett Favre base card. Timmy Jernigan base card. And another rookie auto to 99 for the Rams again, Marcus Roberson for the Rams, and that is numbered to 99. Steve Smith base card and Zach Stacy base card. The last one from Select, Jordan Cameron base, Torrey Smith base, and Victor Cruz base, Golden Tate base, and we'll finish on the hit, which is number to 150, but it is Select Stars jersey, Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. And that one numbered to 150. So that is the select. So we've got the triple thread and the spectra. So let's do the triple threads. We'll finish on the newer product. Okay. Mini boxes again. Okay. So the favourite one. There's the other. Okay. So one big pack. The mini box. Okay, so here we go. Top card is a base Terrell Suggs for the Ravens. Next one, base Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. And another base for the Rams, Marshall Falk. Okay, I'm going to flip over, do the hit last. We have a parallel to 232 Earl Thomas for the Seahawks. 232. And we have another one, the 232 Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. And our two hits are, it's a number to 75 jersey, Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles, and a rookie auto jersey to 99, Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. So a Nelson Aguilar mini box there, back-to-back hits for the Eagles. Second one. Okay, base cards, Len Dawson for the Chiefs, Steve Young for the 49ers, and Ndamukong Suh for the Dolphins. Flipped over to do the parallels to 50, Ronnie Lott for the 49ers. And this one to 25, Matthew Stafford for the Lions. And two hits. Which one shall I do first? We'll do this one. Rookie auto jersey to 75, Amir Abdullah for the Lions. And this last one I love. Three of my favourite players, triple threads. Marcus Allen, Bo Jackson, Tim Brown for the Raiders. And that one numbered to 36, 24 out of 36. Triple jersey for the Raiders. Very nice. So that is the triple threads. Last up is the Spectra that I didn't order, but I've let you guys have at a cheaper price. I was hoping for a 2014 Spectra. They said 2016, so we've got 4 packs. Empty box. See if we hit a big name. Okay. Top card. Epic Legends jersey. Number to 99. Another one I love. Bo Jackson for the Raiders. Raiders coming alive at the end of the break. And another team that's done well. Another one for you. Eagles, Wendell Smallwood. Rookie auto jersey. That one is number to 99. And did I do the, well, the Bo Jackson, just to show everyone, is 99 as well. Next up, we have number to 199 Rivals jersey card. And this one has got Ezekiel Elliott and Derrick Henry. So that'll be a random. Cowboys and Titans, number to 199. Cowboys and Titans. And the last one is a rookie, number 260. It is Rico Gathers for the Cowboys. Number 260. So that's pack 1. Okay, next pack on the top, a die cut rookie, numbered to 15 for the Cardinals, Robert Kinvice. Die cut prism rookie, and that one is numbered 4 of 15. First hit is number to 25, parallel monumental memorabilia, Buck Allen for the Ravens. And number 225, as I said. The next hit is a beauty. It is a Illustrious Legends autograph card, on card, numbered 12 of 15, Steve Young for the 49ers. Steve Young, 12 of 15. Very nice. Lovely card. And the last one is a base to 99 Brian Urlacher for the Bears. To 99. Next pack. Okay, top card is a hit Vontaze Perfect jersey card for the Bengals. Jumbo jersey, immense materials, and that one is number 2199. And next one is a rookie auto jersey numbered to 99, 1 of 99 for the Raiders again, DeAndre Washington. 1 of 99. Nice one again for the Raiders. And next up is a synced swatches number to 199 for the Cowboys, Tony Romo and Ezekiel Elliott. It's a nice one for the Cowboys to 199. And next up is a parallel, purple parallel, number to 10 for the Patriots, Cyrus Jones. And that one numbered 3 of 10 for the Patriots. And last pack of the break. Okay, first up is a rookie auto, number to 199 for the Jags, Brandon Allen. To 199 for the Jags. And next up, number 299 for the Bengals, Tyler Boyd, rising rookie, dual materials. Number 299. And number 299 again, monumental memorabilia, Devontae Adams for the Packers. And at 99, and the final card is a rookie. It is number 299, and it is Seth DeValve for the Browns. Seth DeValve for the Browns, and that is it. So thanks to everyone for taking part. I think the Steve Young auto near the end there was possibly the best one. Get all these sorted and out to you guys by next week. There's a few other cards to send out as well, plus a couple of jerseys and that, so I'll get everything out as fast as I can. Thanks for everyone taking part.